If you're wondering how to use Tenable for vulnerability management, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Tenable and how it can help you protect your network and data from vulnerabilities. Stay tuned until the end because I have an exclusive bonus for you that will allow you to use Tenable for free. First off, Tenable is a leading cybersecurity software designed to help organizations manage and monitor vulnerabilities in their systems. It provides real-time visibility into your network, identifying potential risks and offering solutions to mitigate them. You can quickly scan your systems, detect weaknesses, and get actionable insights on how to improve your security posture. The best part? You can access this software for free with the exclusive link in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Next thing, when you start with Tenable, you'll want to configure your network scans. The software gives you the ability to customize your scans to fit your environment, whether you're looking to check your entire network or just a specific part of it. Setting this up allows you to stay on top of potential vulnerabilities that might otherwise be missed. You can also schedule these scans to run at specific intervals to ensure you're consistently assessing your security. The third thing you need to know is how Tenable ranks vulnerabilities. When Tenable scans your systems, it doesn't just throw a bunch of data at you. It ranks vulnerabilities based on severity, making it easier for you to prioritize what needs immediate attention and what can be dealt with later. This is crucial in vulnerability management, especially when you have limited resources and need to focus on the most critical issues first. Another key feature of Tenable is its reporting capabilities. Once your scans are complete, Tenable generates comprehensive reports that provide detailed information on each vulnerability detected, including risk scores, affected systems, and even possible fixes. This helps you communicate effectively with stakeholders and track your progress over time as you address vulnerabilities. Next thing, Tenable allows you to integrate with other tools in your security stack. Whether you're using CM software or ticketing systems, Tenable can integrate seamlessly to enhance your overall vulnerability management process. This means you can automate workflows, streamline remediation efforts, and ensure that vulnerabilities are addressed quickly and effectively. The fourth thing you should know is Tenable support for cloud environments. In today's digital age, many companies are migrating to the cloud. Tenable provides visibility into vulnerabilities in cloud environments, such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. This allows you to secure your entire infrastructure, whether on-premises or in the cloud, from a single platform. Finally, as a bonus, I want to remind you that you can access Tenable software for free through the link in the description. Not only will you get the free trial, but you'll also get exclusive bonuses that will help you make the most out of your vulnerability management efforts. So, to recap, Tenable helps you identify vulnerabilities, rank them based on severity, generate reports, integrate with other tools, and secure your cloud infrastructure. Plus, you can get started with a free trial through the link below, giving you the tools you need to manage vulnerabilities efficiently and effectively. Don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity.